U.S. Air Force just revealed they've made something incredibly advanced. It's so powerful that it could change everything we know. People are both amazed and worried about what this might mean for the future. Everyone's eager to see what this innovation is all about. So what is this creation? Let's check it out. Imagine a system that connects and sees all. A digital maestro orchestrating the symphony of warfare. That's the Advanced Battle Management System, ABMS, for you. This next-gen command and control system is the U.S. Air Force's gift to the Pentagon's Joint All-Domain Command and Control. ABMS integrates everything, aircraft, ground systems, satellites, into a seamless ballet of military might. Real-time data sharing. Check. Lightning-fast decisions. Double-check. It's like giving the Air Force a crystal ball for making victorious battle choices. Although it's still in the oven, the ABMS is expected to revolutionize warfare by the early 2030s. Cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and machine learning are the secret ingredients making this digital symphony possible. Cue the techno magic. The next generation jammer, 𝗙𝗙𝗿𝗄𝗏, is here to rewrite the playbook on electronic warfare. This sleek upgrade is like going from a flip phone to the latest smartphone, but for jamming enemy radars and communication systems. Picture this: more power, agility, and a broader range than its predecessor, the ALQ-99. The 𝗙𝗙𝗿𝗄𝗏 is a maestro of adaptability, thanks to being software-defined. It's like having an ever-evolving superhero, always ready for the next big challenge. No more tracking and targeting U.S. aircraft for the bad guys. The 𝗙𝗙𝗿𝗄𝗏 is the ultimate silent guardian of the skies. Meet the stand-in attack weapon, 𝗧𝗵𝗶𝘀, the superstar of the U.S. Air Force's lethal arsenal. If you thought you'd seen it all, think again. This isn't just any weapon. It's a super advanced, military-grade masterpiece. The 𝗧𝗵𝗶𝘀 is designed for those moments when you need to bring out the big guns. Precision, power, and efficiency. The 𝗧𝗵𝗶𝘀 has it all. It's not just a weapon, it's a statement. The U.S. Air Force's way of saying, we've got something you've never even dreamed of, and you better stay out of our way. In response to the ever-growing threats from Russia and China, the U.S. Air Force drops a bombshell, and it's not your casual response. Enter the stand-in attack weapon, or 𝗧𝗵𝗶𝘀, an upgraded version of air-to-ground harm missiles that's about to change the game. Now, why is this missile turning heads? Well, for starters, it's the ninja of missiles, mastering the art of stealth. The 𝗧𝗵𝗶𝘀 can hide its signal like a pro, making sure its aircraft remains incognito. No need for signals from targets. This bad boy generates its own. It's like the James Bond of missiles, operating in silent mode. Sneaky, right? With this level of stealth, the 𝗧𝗵𝗶𝘀 becomes the undisputed champion at penetrating enemy air defenses, delivering a payload that'll leave you questioning if you blinked and missed it. But that's not all, folks. This missile isn't stuck in the past. It's rocking the latest software-defined tech, staying one step ahead of evolving threats. So, while others are playing catch-up, the 𝗧𝗵𝗶𝘀 is busy redefining the rules of engagement. Now, let's shift our gaze to the B-21 Raider, the digital bomber that's here to rewrite the history books. It's not just a bomber. It's a stealthy maestro designed to penetrate enemy air defenses with surgical precision. This bad boy, the first new bomber design in over 30 years, is like the rock star of the U.S. Air Force fleet. Stealthier, more maneuverable, and with a longer range than its predecessors, the B-21 Raider is the future of aerial dominance. Oh, did we mention it's software-defined too? That means it's not just a one-hit wonder. It's a chart topper that keeps getting better. But wait, there's more. Enter the long-range standoff missile, 𝗪𝗏, a nuclear-armed cruise missile that's about to make you rethink everything you knew about breaking into heavily defended airspace. This stealthy, low-flying beast is set to replace its predecessor, the AGM-86 BLCM, and it's not messing around. With a longer range, more maneuverability, and a bigger warhead, the 𝗧𝗵𝗶𝘀 is like the heavyweight champion of nuclear weapons. And yes, you guessed it. It's software-defined, ready for those updates like your favorite app. Now, let's talk drones, but not just any drone. The MQ-9 Reaper. Think of it as the perfect blend of surveillance and strike missions, the James Bond of the drone world. This long-range armed drone is a game-changer, an intelligence collection powerhouse that's redefining what it means to have eyes in the sky. In a world where the future is uncertain, the U.S. Air Force is pulling out all the stops, revealing a lineup of weapons that's not just advanced. It's the stuff of dreams and nightmares. Next up, meet the MQ-9 Reaper, the real-life superhero of the skies. This bad boy is not your average drone. It's a full-fledged weapons powerhouse, armed to the teeth with Hellfire missiles and laser-guided bombs. The Reaper is the go-to guy for coordinated strikes and reconnaissance. Picture this: a wingspan of 66 feet, a length of 36 feet, and the ability to soar through the heavens for a whopping 20 hours, covering over 1,100 miles. It's not just a drone. It's a flying fortress operated by a crew of two, ready to unleash havoc on anything foolish enough to cross its path. This killer robot has seen action in Afghanistan, Iraq, and Libya, racking up a score that has earned it the title of the ultimate bad guy deterrent. Now let's talk about the F-35 Lightning I, the rock star of fighter jets. This bad boy is a fifth-generation fighter jet, and trust us, it's a game-changer. Whether it's the conventional takeoff and landing F-35A, the short takeoff and vertical landing F-35BITS, or the carrier-based F-35C, this jet is the epitome of next-level air superiority. Stealthy, maneuverable, and armed to the teeth with air-to-air missiles, air-to-ground missiles, and bombs, the F-35 is not just a plane. It's a force not to be reckoned with. Don't even think about messing with it. This jet is a 9 grams capable multi-role fighter that combines sensor fusion and unmatched awareness to give its adversaries a run for their money. Now let's shine a spotlight on something you might not have seen coming: the Tactical Ultra Short Pulsed Laser, 2PL. Laser weapons, people. The Air Force isn't playing around. They're harnessing the power of lasers to a whole new level. The 2PL uses ultra-short pulses of laser light to deliver a high-energy impact on its target. Imagine heating the surface to such high temperatures that it evaporates or melts. This laser isn't just flashy, it's deadly. It can blind sensors, scorch targets, and disrupt enemy communications by emitting pulses of laser light that play havoc with their signal processing. It's like a sci-fi dream come true, and it's making traditional laser weapons look like outdated relics. Lastly, brace yourselves for the hypersonic air-breathing weapon concept, 𝗧𝗵𝗶𝘀. We're talking about a weapon that operates at hypersonic speeds, 5 times the speed of sound. This is no ordinary missile. It's a scramjet-powered cruise missile that's rewriting the rules of warfare. Without an explosive warhead, the 𝗧𝗵𝗶𝘀 relies on kinetic energy, propelling itself at over 3,700 miles per hour. Good luck intercepting this beast. It's a technological marvel that's changing the game and leaving everyone else in the dust. In the ever-evolving landscape of military tech, the U.S. Air Force isn't just keeping up. They're setting the pace. From killer drones and stealthy jets to lasers that could make your sci-fi fantasies jealous, these weapons are not just advanced. They're the future of warfare. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments below.